Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this video, I have taken a typical challenging question. A typical challenging question, let us try to solve it. It will be useful for JEE Advanced, JEE Mains and also Maths Olympiad. It's a tough question, a challenging question without any values to the x and y. An equation is given and we have to find x and y. We have to solve this. X to the power of 1 by y plus y to the power of 1 by x is equal to x by y to the power of x into y. There is no mention of any numericals in this problem, but still we will be able to solve for x and y. The values. Let's proceed further. What is the question given? Question is x to the power of 1 by y plus y to the power of 1 by x is equal to x by y to the power of xy. This is an implicit function. That means x and y are interrelated. They are combined in a single equation and there are no numerals attached to it. In this type of functions, I have discussed one or two previously also. In this type of functions, we have to assume certain things and proceed. Because we don't have anything except to assume something and proceed further. X to the power of 1 by y plus y to the power of 1 by x is equal to x by y to the power of xy. And we have to find the value of x and y so that this particular equation is satisfied. In this case, let us assume that x is equal to y. Symmetry. Let us assume symmetry. X is equal to y. Replace y with x. That means x to the power of 1 by x plus x to the power of 1 by x is equal to x by x to the power of x into x. That implies x to the power of 1 by x plus x to the power of 1 by x is equal to 1 to the power of x square. That implies 2 into x to the power of 1 by x is equal to 1 into x square. If x is of any value, 1 to the power of any value is 1 only. That means x to the power of 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. That implies 1 by x into ln x is equal to ln 1 by 2. ln 1 by 2 is negative. ln 1 minus ln 2. That implies 1 by x ln x is equal to minus 0.693. Can we solve this? Just ask yourself for a minute. This becomes ln x by x is equal to minus 0.693. I have already explained about ln x by x, the graph of ln x by x. Here we can even write it as ln x by x plus ln 2 is equal to 0. From this, I have already told you about the ln x by x, what is the behavior of the x and what is the behavior of this particular function ln x by x. And ln x by x, when it becomes minus ln 2, that we will explore. If x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, ln 1 is 0, 0 by 1 is 0, 0 plus ln 2 is not equal to 0. That is not the solution. If x is equal to 0, ln 0 is minus infinity. It is not defined. Not defined. If x is equal to 2, that implies ln 2 by 2 plus ln 2. It is not equal to 0. It is greater than 0. Its value is increasing. Hence, the value should be, x should be, all these imply that x should be less than 1. Then, if x is equal to half plus ln 2, that is equal to, x is equal to half, that implies ln half by half plus ln 2, that is equal to 2 into ln half plus ln 2, that is equal to 2 into ln 2 is 2 into ln 1 minus ln 2 plus ln 2, that is equal to minus 2 ln 2 plus ln 2, that is minus ln 2. This is not equal to 0. That means the value is, because it has become negative, sign is changed. That means the value of x lies between, at x is equal to 1. Please try to understand this step, it is very important. Function has become positive, function is positive. At x is equal to half, function value has become negative. That means in between these two, this function is going to be 0 because sign is changed. That means 1 is less than x, x is less than half. No, it is, x is, it's reverse, sorry, it's reverse. X is greater than half and x is less than 1. That means half less than x less than 1. It lies between half and 1. That is what is the conclusion we got. If you don't have specific values for logarithms, don't worry. A question in the examination can be asked to find the value of x and y lie between half and x. X and y are such that half less than x less than 1 and half less than y less than 1. This is the solution. In JEE Mains or JEE Advanced, they may change the values here and there and they may give the alternatives, and you should not get confused, you should answer it perfectly. This is one solution. Now, this is one solution which we have got by thinking x is equal to y. Because it is an implicit function, we are assuming another thing also. Let x is equal to 1. What happens? If x is equal to 1, x to the power of 1 by y plus y to the power of 1 by x is equal to x by y to the power of xy implies x is equal to 1. Replace x with 1. 1 to the power of 1 by y plus y to the power of 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by y to the power of 1 into y. That implies 1 plus y is equal to y to the power of minus y. This is the equation we have got. What it implies? What will be the value of y? If x is equal to 1, 1 plus y, we can say y to the power of y into 1 plus y is equal to 1. We can even write like this. Y into ln y plus ln 1 plus y is equal to 0. You put y is equal to 0, what happens? It does not have ln 0 is not defined. At y is equal to 0, undefined, this function. At y is equal to 1, what happens? 1 into 0 plus ln 1 plus 1, that is equal to ln 2, that is not equal to 0. Similarly, previous one. And if y is equal to half into ln half plus ln 1 plus half, that is equal to half into ln half is nothing but half into minus ln 2 plus ln 3.5, 1.5, ln 3 by 2, that is equal to minus half ln2 plus ln3 minus ln2 ln3 minus 1.5 ln2. What is ln3 value? I have many times I have asked you to remember that. Minus half ln2 minus ln2 plus ln3. This is 1.09 minus 1.5 into 0.693. How much it will be? Is it positive or negative? It is 1.04, approximately 1.09 minus 1.05, let us say, that is approximately positive. That means there is no sign change. That means between y is equal to 1 and y is equal to half, there is no sign change. That shows the value is not in between 1 and half. Y is not between 1 and half because the function does not change the sign. Please follow this. Now, ln 1 we have seen, y is equal to 1 we have seen, y is equal to half we have seen, y is equal to 1 by 4 shall we see? Y is equal to 1 by 4. What happens? Y ln y 1 by 4 into ln 1 by 4 plus ln 1 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4 into ln 1 minus ln 4 plus ln 5 minus ln 4. Because 1 plus 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. That means 1 by minus 1 by 4 ln 4 minus ln 4 plus ln 5. You know the value of ln 4? Minus 5 by 4 into ln 4 is 2 into 0.693 ln 2 plus ln 5 value, I have already told you to remember it, ln 5. What is the value of ln 5? (1.61). You just see 5 by 4 into 2 is 5 by 2. 2.5 into 0.693 minus 2.5 into 0.693 plus 1.61. If you say 0.693 is 0.7, 0.7 into 2.5 is, just cross check the calculation. Whether it is changing the sign or not? Please check. It is minus 1.732 plus 1.61. That means it is changing the sign. Minus 0.12. That means the range of y when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y value will be, y is between half and 1/4. That means the solution is 1/4 is less than y less than 1/2. This is for y and x is equal to 1. This is the solution. For x is equal to y x is equal to y, what is the solution? This is the solution. X, y are such that half is less than x less than 1 and half is less than y less than. For x is equal to y, solution is half is less than x less than 1, half is less than y less than 1. This is the solution. This is the solution for the above problem. Now, if you want the exact solutions, I will give the exact solutions and you can try. That can be with numerical methods, that can be with trial and error method, and you know the range, you find some value and try to get it. When x is equal to y, the exact solution is x is equal to y is equal to approximately 0.6412. And when x is equal to 1, y is equal to approximately 0.436. You can find these values. It's not a rocket science. That means if this type of implicit equations are given, first is to assume symmetry. First assume symmetry. In this symmetry, you say x is equal to y and solve whether you get the solution or not. The solution can be either a real solution or a complex solution. Next is put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Whether the given function is defined or not defined. In both the cases, it is not defined in our case. Third, put x is equal to 1, because we have already seen x is equal to y. Then if you put x is equal to 1, can we get any solution for y? Try to find y. And put y is equal to 1 and try to find x. In case of natural logarithm, try to put x is equal to e and try to get solution. Put y is equal to 1 and try to find x. And another is put x is equal to e or y is equal to e in case of natural logarithm equation, natural log equation. In either of the cases, I think we will get the solution. If we don't get the solution, then we have to try with numerical methods and Newton-Raphson method. Numerical methods are there, like Newton-Raphson method, which you should be aware of. When I illustrate the numerical methods during this course of my mathematics. Then I will explain trapezoidal method, Newton-Raphson method, and also numerical methods, 1/3 rule. All these things I will explain you. Don't worry. And you try to do these steps and try to solve this type of implicit equations. And I feel you will get definitely some solution. If you don't get it, as we proceed further, I will explain whenever time comes, because numerical methods, they require little bit of calculus, differential calculus. When I touch the topic of differential calculus, then I will touch numerical solutions and I will give a better approach. That's one of the approaches. It will be useful for even for GATE mathematics, engineering mathematics in the GATE, and JEE Advanced, and these are useful for CSIR, mathematics and physics also, and JEE Mains. Best of luck to everybody. I want to close the lecture now, and thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture, and if there is a value addition to your knowledge because of this lecture, please subscribe to my channel and please share my videos to others also. Share and subscribe to my channel. My channel is Maths and Science by. I will be giving this type of challenging questions once in a while, so that while doing the regular mathematics, we will do some challenging questions also from with different concepts which are not touched by me in the previous classes, so that you try to get the knowledge and improve upon it. My channel is Maths and Science by IITian. In matrices also I have covered some good challenging questions for you, Hermitian matrix and those things. Please make yourself aware of these things. Best of luck. Thank you.